Science is the key to understanding the wonders around us, from everyday miracles to groundbreaking discoveries. In this video, explore the beauty, curiosity, and excitement that science brings to life. On which date was the Chandrayaan 2 mission launched? Chandrayaan 2 was India's second mission to the moon, launched by ISRO. Its goal was to study the moon's surface and environment. What is the name of India's first nuclear reactor? Apsara is India's first nuclear reactor, which began operations on August 4, 1956. It is located at Bahava Atomic Research Center and is used for research purposes. In which year is the Gaganyaan mission planned to be launched? Gaganyaan is India's first manned space mission, aiming to send 3 astronauts into Earth's orbit. On which date was India's first satellite Aryabhatta launched? Aryabhatta, India's first satellite, was launched with the help of the Soviet Union, marking the beginning of India's space program. When is National Science Day celebrated in India? February 28th is celebrated as National Science Day in honor of Sir C.V. Raman's discovery of the Raman effect on this day in 1928. Which institute created India's first cloned goat, Nori? Nori, the first cloned goat in India, was developed by Sher, a Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology in March 2012. When did the Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan enter Mars orbit? Mangalyaan, also known as the Mars Orbiter Mission MOM, was India's first mission to Mars, successfully reaching Mars orbit. What is the name of India's first supercomputer? Param 8000, developed by CDAC Center for Development of Advanced Computing in 1991, is India's first supercomputer. Which Indian company developed the indigenous COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin? Covaxin is India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. What is Nano and who developed it? Tata Nano, developed by Tata Motors, was the world's cheapest car, launched to provide affordable transportation for the Indian middle class. When did ISRO launch its first Gagyan space mission? GOGON, or GPS-aided geo-augmented navigation, is an Indian satellite-based navigation system used mainly for providing positioning information in civil aviation. Which institute performed India's first DNA fingerprinting? CCMB in Hyderabad was the first institute in India to use DNA fingerprinting technology, which is crucial in forensics and paternity testing. What is the name of India's mission to build a lunar lander? Chandrayaan 3 was ISRO's mission, which included a lander and rover aimed at landing on and studying the moon's surface. Where is India's first large optical telescope located? The Devasthal telescope, a 3.6-meter optical telescope, is located in Nainital. It is India's largest and most modern telescope used for astronomical studies. What kind of test did India conduct under Mission Shakti? Under Mission Shakti, India successfully conducted an anti-satellite missile test on March 27, 2019, making it one of the few countries with the capability to destroy satellites in space. Who is known as the father of the Indian space program? Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is regarded as the father of the Indian space program. He was instrumental in setting up the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and establishing India's first satellite program. What is the chemical symbol for water? The chemical symbol for water is H2O, indicating that each molecule of water consists of two hydrogen atoms H and one oxygen atom O bonded together. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars is often referred to as the red planet due to its reddish appearance, which is caused by iron oxide rust on its surface. What is the unit of electrical resistance? The unit of electrical resistance is the ohm, symbolized by the Greek letter omega O. It measures how much a material opposes the flow of electric current. Who invented the first practical telephone? Alexander Graham Bell is credited with inventing the first practical telephone in 1876. His invention revolutionized communication by enabling voice transmission over long distances.